Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to your own Venmo account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Venmo mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, by default you will be on the home page. Now over here you need to click on this profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on your profile page where you are going to see the recent transactions that you have made. Now over here you will have to click on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you will be redirected in your settings. Now in the settings you just have to select the option of payment methods, and after that you will have to tap on the plus icon in order to add your bank account. Then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to link your bank account with Venmo. Now once it is linked successfully, you will have to come to this page again, and here you will have to enter the amount that you want to add in your account. After adding the amount, you are going to see the transfer money tab, but if you have linked your bank account with it, then right next to transfer money you are going to see the option of pay. So you will have to enter the amount and then you need to click on the pay money option. After that, you will be redirected on this type of page where it will show you two different options. It says that whether you want to add money instantly or you want to get it in 1 to 3 business days, as it will not cost you any money. So you just have to select any of the options as per your convenience, and then you need to select the bank account that you have just added previously. After that, you will have to click on the pay button in the bottom in order to add balance in your Venmo account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.